Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss question and answer of the lesson I am watching Grandpa. So let's start. Answer these questions with reference to the context. I was amazed by how much importance he was giving to such a seemingly trivial matter. Who does he refer to? He refers to Grandpa here. What does the speaker refer to as a trivial matter? The author refers to paper wastage as a trivial matter. Trivial means unimportant. What was the effect of this trivial matter on the speaker? It did not remain trivial after the author saw the efforts made by his grandpa. It made him realize how the efforts of every individual matter to make the planet a better place. Next, answer these questions. Give 2 reasons why the author had an uneasy and disturbed night. So the author had an uneasy and disturbed night because of the sounds of traffic and lights from the main road, as the house he was living in was located near a noisy and bustling road. He was also disturbed by the rustling sound made by his grandpa. Why do you think grandfather crept forward sleepily? Why do you think grandfather crept forward stealthily? Grandfather crept forward stealthily because he did not want to wake up the author. Okay, stealthily means quietly. Why do you think grandfather crept forward stealthily? That is quietly, because the grandfather crept forward stealthily because he did not want to wake up the author. Why did grandpa want the author to lend him a hand with? Grandpa wanted the author to help him pile the paper into his bag. Okay, the grandpa wanted the narrator to help him pile the paper into his bag. How did grandpa sort the papers he had picked up? How did grandpa sort the papers he had picked up? Grandpa made separate piles for one-sided used paper, both-sided used paper, and blank papers. So grandpa, what he did, he made separate piles for one-sided used paper and for both sides used paper and blank papers. Number 5. How did grandpa plan to use the sorted papers? How grandpa planned to use the sorted papers? Grandpa planned to give the used paper to a hawker. He planned to use the one-sided used paper for his accounts and give some to poor children at the NGO in the neighborhood for them to practice maths. What was the lone endeavor? What did it make the author realize? The lone endeavor refers to the author's grandfather's singular attempt to save paper and make the planet the better place. It makes the author realize the importance of individual effort and how each person can make a difference and contribute to save environment. So this was all about this lesson, students. We have discussed question and answer. At the end of the lesson, if you see, all the difficult words are given. Okay, so all the difficult words are given at the end of your lesson, and the meanings are also written beside the difficult words. So please, you can copy down these difficult words and the meanings in your notebook, and after that you can write the question and answer in your fair copy. Okay, this was all for today. Thank you.